Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to set up Google OAuth login in Supabase. First, open your Supabase dashboard and select the project where you want to add Google Login. On the left menu, go to Authentication and then click on Providers. You will see a list of available login providers. Find Google and enable it. Now we need credentials from Google. Open a new browser tab and go to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Once inside the project, go to APIs and Services and then Credentials. Click on Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. If asked, configure the consent screen first. Choose External, add an app name, support email, and save. You can skip advanced fields for now. After that, return to creating the OAuth Client ID. Choose Web Application as the application type. Now copy the redirect URL from Supabase. You can find it in the Google Provider settings. Paste this URL into the Authorized Redirect URIs field in Google Cloud. Then create the client. Google will now give you a client ID and a client secret. Copy both values. Go back to Supabase and paste the client ID and client secret into the Google Provider fields. Save the settings. At this point, Google OAuth is enabled on the back end. To use it in your app, call the Supabase sign-in method with Google as the provider. When the user clicks the login button, they will be redirected to Google and then back to your app. That is how you set up Google OAuth login in Supabase. Thanks for watching.